Hey yogis, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bre and Flo here from Breathe and Flow. Our names are actually in Breathe and Flow, if you have not noticed yet. Genius! My wife had the idea.
No, I didn't. Well, kind of. But more, we can probably just credit our parents for coincidentally naming us names that have to do with yoga. So it's great. They already knew what we were going to do for a living.
They already knew.
Whoa. Today's video, we are excited to say that we're halfway through the Ignite Challenge. So for those of you...
Good job!
Yes!
Round of applause. Good job practicing every single day. We hope you did. Every single day. For the last 15, 16 days or something. We're a little bit late filming this video, so you're more than halfway through. So even better job.
Yay!
Second half of Ignite. Awesome, amazing job. We're so proud of you.
We know those videos are challenging, and especially if you've never done yoga before, or even if you have, it's a lot of new movements, new poses, and I hope that you've been able to sit through the pranayama, breath work, and the meditation. The meditation is really, we think, the most important aspect of yoga, so make sure you're not skipping the meditations. They're there for a reason. So it's great. We have, almost 1,500 people signed up for the Ignite Challenge. So we're incredibly overwhelmed with the amount of people who are excited about this. Yeah, we just really appreciate all the messages and comments and DMs and emails, and it's so
many, but please don't stop.
Yeah.
We take every day some time to respond to all of it, and every single comment, every single direct message, email we respond to. Thanks so much for all the messages and everything that you send us and you reach out. We're really grateful for all the support and also for all the stories that you share with us, and you trust us with sharing this about your life, what you're going through, and how much this has helped you. And even if it's just one person that sent us this, we already know it's worth it to have put this all together and have it out there.
If you haven't already discovered that we have music playlists, because we've had a few of you reach out and ask for some music to play along with your class. So we have...
so you don't just hear us breathing?
Yeah.
Ujjayi.
So we have, 20 or 30 playlists on Spotify and another 15, 20 on SoundCloud. So we recommend, if you like music during your practice, you can head to either of those. Both of them are free. I don't know if you don't have the paid subscription for either. I think you have to listen to an ad every once in a while, but
it's worth it.
Worth it.
Yeah, and the description is in the link. The link is in the description below. So in all of the videos, actually, there's always the link to all the music.
So we are stoked to work with a few different brands over the past couple of years that are really in alignment with our path and our view of the world, and we really support their mission as well. So we're grateful that they have chosen to partner with us and support us by supplying prizes for one winner who we're going to be picking out and announcing at the end of the challenge at the beginning of February.
We'll make it as random as possible. We're thinking about the most random selection, and then we pick one.
Yeah. So stay tuned. Check your inbox because we're going to be emailing one person and then giving them 48 hours to reply. And then if we don't hear from that person, we'll draw the next name because we have to have a winner. And so make sure to check your inbox at the beginning of February. Otherwise, you're going to forfeit these prizes, which are...
You put me on the spot. Well, there's so many. So we have, like Bre said, worked with so many brands. We have a couple of things here. So first thing is a pair of Vivo barefoot shoes. Maybe you saw our video like a couple of weeks ago where we talked about barefoot shoes and what's all the hype about barefoot shoes. So this is just an example. This is a new pair that we received from Vivo. It's called Geo Court. They just actually released this pair. It's really amazing in white, really nice sneakers, getting ready for the spring season and summer, or depending where you live. In Australia, it's right now summer, entering into fall. So they have them in full white or with the kind of blue tealish back. But this is just an example. We have so many pairs ourselves that we wear for different occasions. They have sneakers and running shoes and hiking boots and winter boots and all the things. They even have dress shoes for your work if you need to dress up more for your work.
Yep.
That's just an example. So the winner that we choose will be able to pick one pair from the Vivo Barefoot website. Whatever pair it is, it will be shipped to you. So we'll put it all together in a little box with all the other things that we provide. But once you get that email, the winner gets that email, you send us the pair you want, and then we will get that for you, and also the size. So that's one of the prizes that the winner will get, is a pair of brand new fresh Vivo Barefoot shoes. That's just an example.
Yep.
They also smell really good. Fresh and new. And then the second thing is from Rise Bar, very simple protein bars. They even call it the simplest protein bar, and we totally agree. We always recommend checking the ingredient list for all the foods you buy, and especially with protein bars, if that's something you're into. And so it doesn't have one on the box, but if you look at the single bars, they only have 3 to 5 ingredients. Yeah, here, 3 to 5 ingredients. I don't know how they do it. They make like a bar, it tastes so good, so much protein, all natural. And these are all plant-based too, so these are all vegan protein bars, and you can get a few more
So the winner
if you like, so that you can keep practicing and you don't starve.
Yes, so the winner will be getting all 4 boxes of the Rise Bars.
And then we have one more thing here. These are just examples, but we worked with a really nice brand called Ujjayi. They're based in Los Angeles, and it's all homemade, handmade. It's really amazing products. You can look them up online. We will also link them below, but they provided a couple of products that we should also receive in the mail very soon. They have a line for men and women, so we will adjust that for you, whatever your preference is. This is just the stuff I use. I think this is Breeze. This is a deodorant, natural deodorant, all natural, really amazing stuff.
Aluminum free.
Aluminum free, like no bullshit in it. It's all natural. It's all really good for the body, and it's very holistic too. This is the one I use, the Ujjayi deodorant. We have seriously tried out 30 or so deodorants, natural ones, and I even brought some home from Germany. They have some good ones there, but none of them really lasted long in terms of protecting you from like smelling. Even if you practice, you teach, you don't shower for 2 days, and you keep practicing and sweating and all that stuff, you just start to smell maybe. And so this is just a very nice protection. And even with the other natural brands, after just a couple of hours even, I don't know, it was somehow weird, it didn't really work.
Yeah.
So this is really the only one that works for us, and so we're excited to share that with you. We would not share anything with you or give you anything that we don't believe in, so this is amazing stuff. This is some serum for the face and also for the beard. This is why my beard looks so amazing, because I put this serum in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's all natural. All the products, they have so many other things, so we'll send you a little care package of Ujjayi products.
Yeah, and one last thing with the Ujjayi too. The owner, she does, as we mentioned, they hand pour every single deodorant. So I just checked their website yesterday, and they have hand poured over 20,000 deodorants now. And for every session that they do where they pour that day, they also have sound healing happening, and they have sort of a ceremony that they begin with before they start mixing and making the batches and pouring the deodorant. So there's also a lot of intention that goes into their products. It's not just trying to like pump out and create as much as they can, and they really put the time and energy into making sure that there's lots of love and good energy in the products that they push out into the world. They also offer free shipping for everything, even outside of like us having a discount code or anything like that. Like they just have free shipping regardless. It's just a really incredible company, and it's owned by a woman who has 5 children. She's amazing. So we are very grateful to have the opportunity to partner with her and her company. So
it's just very authentic, just like all the brands. They're just really authentic. Rise Bar, they keep it very simple, really good. All plant-based protein bars. Ujjayi, really authentic skincare and like body care products. And Vivo Barefoot too, they're all on such amazing missions, and we love partnering with them, and we love supporting them, and I hope that you enjoy all these products as much as we do. So we'll pick a winner next week, probably, and then reach out in advance before the program ends. So check your inbox. We will give you all the instructions what to do to pick your pair of Vivo shoes and your address and all that stuff, and we'll get in touch with you, so make sure to check your inbox. Again, we're really proud of all of you for practicing. Even if you're not the winner and you don't win all these prizes, we both hope that you have established at this point, you have created a new habit, and that you just feel good in your body. You feel better when you move, you breathe, you're more focused. I hope you feel all the benefits, and based on what we read in the comments and emails, most of you do, which is amazing. So keep up that great work. We have still 10 more days or so to go. So keep up the good work. We're really proud of you.
Yeah, we really are. It's very encouraging to read all the feedback, and honestly some of the emails that have rolled in, just paragraph after paragraph of people really just pouring their hearts out and saying how this has been completely life-changing for them, and it has brought us to tears.
Yeah, we have cried many times over your emails.
Cried over your emails. It's just so beautiful to read, and we feel so honored to share this space with you and to provide you with the opportunity to discover more about yourself and really tap into your heart, feel better and healthier in your body. So thank you again for being here with us, for staying strong, for pushing through those videos. Again, we know they're challenging, but keep it up. You're already more than halfway and you're doing great.
Thank you so much, yogis, for watching. Keep up the good work, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great day.
Bye.